Welcome back, LCMS 8th graders. So I have another phenomenon here for you about thermal energy transfer. This one requires a little apparatus that I made. Whoops. It has two tubes coming out it, and it also has two holes in the lid directly below those tubes. I also have a hole in the back so I can insert some smoke so you can see the direction the air is traveling. But aside from that, what you see is what we have. We have a candle underneath one tube, and then there's nothing underneath the other tube. Alright, and then like I said, I have a hole in the back. So my first question to you is, what do you think is going to happen to the smoke when I insert it into this container? Do you think it's going to go out of both tubes? Do you think it's going to go out of one tube and not out of the other one? Or do you think it's going to go a little bit of mix in and out of both tubes a little bit? So go and make your predictions now. I'm going to go ahead and light this. And now I have a little bit of smoke there, and I'm going to insert it right into the back. So I don't know if you can tell, almost all the smoke is coming out of this side that has the candle. And virtually no smoke is coming out of this tube. Why is that? Now I'm going to go ahead and do another little demonstration here for you. This time I'm going to light a little bit bigger piece of paper, and I'm going to put it directly over each tube. My question to you is, what do you think is going to happen when I put it over each one? Do you think it's going to go in one tube, out the other? Do you think it's going to linger around them, or do you think it's going to go up both times? Alright, so go and make your predictions now. Alright, so I'm going to go and put it directly over this one. And you can see there is some smoke going up, but for the most part, there's quite a bit as well going down inside this tube. Now, I'm going to go and put it directly over this tube. We're going to see what happens. Hardly anything goes inside this tube. Now again, right here, you can see it just kind of pours into this. And then there's, perhaps, it has to be going somewhere. I don't know if you can tell, there is a little bit coming out. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug this up real quick. So if I plug it up, I don't know if you can tell, it kind of fills with smoke. Now watch, right as soon as I move my hand, what's going to happen? I'll go and do that one more time in case you missed it. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it up, and you can see it's kind of filling with smoke, and then as soon as I move my hand, it goes down that tube and it comes up this one. Why is that? Alright, that's about all I have for you in this phenomenon. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.